All right, guys, we're actually doing a new install. I don't know if you guys can kind of see on my videos or my pictures, but this one was the original one I had on there. It was just double-sided tape on here, and it was already coming off. So I upgraded to the extended version of the ZR1 spoiler, which is this one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and install it right now, and it's actually wider, you guys can see, compared to the other one. And then the back side, it actually you got to detach the LED stock light that's on the car and put it on here. And see, the other one, it just went over it, so it's a big difference. You'll see how it's a bit thicker, it's a whole lot nicer. So and there's actually real carbon fiber, so, and it's bolted down, which is the main reason I got one, since that one was lifting up. So to install it, we're actually gonna you have to remove these inner tail lights right here, which is that one, and this one, which the only thing that holds them in is just a T15 Torx. And just take it off, take that one bolt off, and it'll come out from up here. And then you have to take this one off. I already removed it. It's just held on by 4 10 mils, and just take it off. But in order to take it off, you have to unplug it from the actual plug, this one right here. So I'll show you guys, or not, it won't come out. So it's this plug right here, you have to unplug it. It just pulls down and pull off. So I took it off already. You see, it's just 4 of them. So take these off. Once you take it off, you need this LED light that's going to transfer over to the new one, which is going to go on this slot right here. So in order to remove it, you're going to need a 4mm socket. I did a 6-point, worked perfectly. Just unscrew them. That unscrews, this unscrews, and this just comes off. You see how easy that is? So just take it off, and I'm gonna transfer it over here. All right, so to install this, I actually put a washer on the inner side, kept one on the outside. I left it loose, the same as over here. So now I'll put this in. It slides right in. This actually goes towards the bottom, well, towards the top side whenever you have it upside down. So you put it in, it'll go right in. See, and then just line it up here, and this you can actually move it around, so keep it loose, and just to line that up and put it in there. See, that's in, and just secure them in place. Simple as that. Let me go ahead and knock that out. All right, so I finally got it in. It's kind of hard to hold back up on here and tighten them up. So what I did, I put some of that blue Loctite on there. See, as you guys can see, I put it on there. I'm about to tighten it up. It's the one I used. So I had some left over from previous jobs that I've done, like when I was doing the brakes on it, on the Corvette, so, and the truck. So I did that. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them up and move on to the next step. All right, there it is, nice and tight. That one, and these are actually the hardware they gave me is 7/16, so that's the socket I used to tighten it up, 7/16. And then also you probably run into the issue where the bolt will drop in, so what I use is just some needle nose to bring it back out and just hold it in place and put the nut on there. So I put a washer and nut. So washer on the inside, washer on the outside, and then nut just to hold it there in place. And see, that's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. All right, now to install it and to line everything up, I actually use mustard since my car is red. I'd rather use ketchup, but you can't really tell. So I use mustard, put it on each center of the bolt. See, and then go ahead and line it up so I can see where my actual hose on the ends will line up to. And then, well, here on the center, they're just gonna go straight on here, so it shouldn't be an issue. I just want to confirm and make sure everything's good. kind of center it up here and then set it down. I'll kind of guide myself with all this. See? Right there. Right there. Right here. See where everything's gonna match up to. Looks good right there. Alright, I'll kind of move it around like that. Make sure it's on there and take it off. See, I got my center marks right there. See, I got the center marks right there. You can see clearly where it actually, the center is. So you see the initial touchdown, but then you see where it centers right there. And see, these are actually dead on, so a little bit off. It should be good. See? So I'll go ahead and drill my hole there and here, so you can match in there perfectly. And I'll take one of these bolts out and let me get a drill bit for it. All right, so I used a 1/4-inch drill bit, so I already drilled them. I'm just kind of wallering them out, making the hole a bit bigger, just so you can have some play to move around with. And go ahead and install it and secure everything. And I'm actually going to use the same Loctite to put on there, because I don't want those bolts to, I don't want to worry about those bolts coming off or vibrating off while I'm rolling and that thing coming off. I think it's super expensive. So make sure it's secured properly, get the connection on there, and secure everything nice and snug. Alright, just put it on.
Yummy. Real berry muffin.
Get the connection in here. There it goes, it's in. You see I put the blue Loctite on there. Alright, I just put that one on there just to hold it in place, prevent it from falling. Put the other one in place as well. There it goes. That one's in place. Securing it on there, not fully tight. The other two in. See, now I leave enough play on there just to be able to lift it and see what's going on. There it is, and lines up perfectly with the height. Can you see?
Yeah.
All right, there it goes. So that's holding it in place already. Let me get the last one in, and we'll be good. I can start tightening everything up. There it is. It's all about the touch. Be able to put it in the hole. Alright.
How's he?
My dog's over there loose. He's
Come on, Mike.
getting friction done. Alright, so that's that. Let me go ahead and snug all these up. Alright guys, so it's finally in. You guys let me know what y'all think. Comment below. I think it looks more aggressive. What do you think, nephew? How's it look?
Good.
Looks good. Oh yeah. So y'all comment below. See how the LED light came out right there? See, everything's nice and flush. So I just love that look. Looks good. Looks real good. Yep. Alright guys, I'll leave you with that. Comment below, see what y'all think. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Y'all stay tuned for the next one.